So I will present you the Observatoire of Transition for Energy. Why? Because in fact this research program is supporting this event that has mainly been organized by Sacha and Etienne, and I'm sure it will be a success. And I thank you in advance for this. We added support. I was very happy to see that open data was at the center of one of the questions presented before, and in fact this program is at the center of this question. So I will present it. It's a synergy between a scientific program on a platform for participative science. Sorry, I would like to... Okay, so I see the same thing than you on my screen. I will explain the kind of activity we have. We work on energy crisis, participative science. We have an activity on living lab and fields. We have some emblematic interdisciplinary and socio-technical results, and we focus on open modelization, open data, open multimedia and production and serious games, and open scientific animation support. So what is the program? It's a synergy between a scientific program and a platform for participative science. So here you have the spirit of the program. We work on data observation with a participative approach, and we produce data, tools, concepts, and analysis. And the idea is to iterate with the actors, which are the researchers and the society. We have 110 researchers on the place of Grenoble in 18 laboratories belonging to social science, engineering and system science, material science, and environmental science. And here you have typically, we study between the behaviors, the practices, the regulation, and the governance, which are more social science preoccupations, and we study components, system, materials, and we iterate with both on problematics like behaviors and uses, short energy circuit, regulation. These are the kind of question we address, and we want to produce an open science. This is the seat of our program, Observatoire Transition Énergétique, in which we have this approach of participative science. We work especially with participant dwellings. Here you have the repartition of the dwellings. We aim to work with more than 20 dwellings in France. We have an approach of living lab. This was the visit of today for people who was at the visit. We work at a building level, at district level, at dwelling level. So this is this living lab approach that we have presented here yesterday during the visit. Here it's an example of a participative science experiment we have. We have developed this plug that you can put on the French smart meter. This is the French smart meter. We have, in France, our particularity is that you have one main DSO, that is NEDs, and in France you have 35 million of those smart meters. So we have developed an approach so that people can freely have this plug, and they can offer to our research program their data for making open science, and at the end producing open data. And we see that it was a key question for you, for the audience. We have distributed more than 200 devices, and we can follow in real time the confirmation of people that agree to participate to such kinds of experience. Here, some emblematic interdisciplinary and socio-technical results we produce. You have modelization that introduce actor logic in the modeling of energy systems. Here you have a PhD on a publication. We study the behavior and the flexibility in energy consumption. We have also some models. We presented this yesterday, some fresco that allows actors to make a modelization of the energy environment in which they are in their district. And especially, I see this publication was on the site of OpenMod. This is a compilation publication in which you will have access to the open source and the open use case we have produced on our Livy Lab on questions like the valorization of waste energy at district level, energy communities. These are things we are studying, for which we produce open source codes on open use cases. The open data approach is really one important topic for us, and we have a presentation on this, presentation made by Sean. I don't know if Sean is in the room. Maybe something is here. He will present you one important job we do, which is the data life cycle we study. It could be data, personal data that are restricted by the GDPR, and also other kinds of data. And we produce a video. Here you have a link for diffusion serious games. We have also a scientific animation, and one big animation is this open mode event that we are happy to help to organize. So, energy transition needs an interdisciplinary and socio-technical approach, and we are very happy to help to organize this open science event. So thank you to all, thank you for coming, and thank you to the colleagues for the organization. And I let you the floor.